Test disaster recovery plans. Disaster Recovery Plan, DRP, is a documented process or set of procedures to execute an organization's disaster recovery processes and recover and protect a business IT infrastructure in the event of a disaster. A test is a unique type of exercise which incorporates an expectation of a pass-fail component within the goal or objectives of the exercise being planned. Purpose of a test is to find any problems, weaknesses, or faults in the plans. Disaster Recovery Plan, DRP, tests are: read-through tabletop, walk-through, simulation, parallel and full interruption. Read-through tabletop testing is a simple read-through of the plan. Walk-through testing builds on the concept of the tabletop read-through activities at actual locations where response actions will be performed. Simulation is a simulated disaster in which teams must go through their documented recovery plans. In a simulation test, disaster recovery personnel practice the disaster recovery plan, DRP, in a role-playing scenario. In a simulation, recovery team doesn't actually perform any recovery or alternate processing. Parallel test is performing all the steps of a real recovery on a separate network except real, live environment. Full interruption test is designed to test the plan in a live scenario.